YouTube just dropped a bomb on analysis. I know you have not yet the update. That's why I'm bringing this to your face. And if you don't use it in the next 48 hours, you are leaving massive money on your table. Now, you think your unique number is real, but it is not. The metrics only track your account or the devices that are watching your videos. It completely ignores couples, families that are watching alongside. Just imagine you creating a video and some set of people are watching it on their TV. 5 people watching a video on TV, but YouTube is counting just only one video. They will count it as what? One view. But it is like 10 people in the room that are watching a video. So YouTube just dropped a bombshell today that can count the amount of people that are watching your video on TV. Imagine you sitting down and your friend sitting down watching a video, and YouTube algorithm could be able to count the amount of people that are watching your video and add it to your view. So follow me, don't miss it out. YouTube new metrics have really changed everything, and this is how you can check it out. Go to your YouTube analysis and go to advanced mode, and get to advanced mode, click on the metrics and check out your unique view and unique reach. Then you are going to be seeing your unique viewers. My unique viewers here is 6,737 and my unique reach is 15,565. That is massive. That means YouTube is counting my unique views to add up more than my views. Now, my views can be like 6,000 people watch, but 10 people can be watching my video in a phone and YouTube is counting that. So here is what I want you to do. Go and check your unique reach on your last 3 videos. If it is higher than your unique views, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and share the videos to some of your creators that this update is already ongoing. It started today. So the old way of measuring your views is dead. YouTube is moving. So move.